Now, in taking up those problems, let's consider how they relate to present-day ballooning. Here's a modern Navy balloon being prepared for inflation. Hydrogen gas is most often used in balloons because it is released after each flight. Helium is generally reserved for airships where it can be used over and over again. However, in the early days,
the world's first balloon, the hot air marvel. Amazing invention of two Frenchmen, the great Montgolfier brothers. The world's first passenger flight from Paris, France, November 11th, 1783. Hey, something's wrong, look out! Ah, more hot air. Thought they'd forgot about that. Sensational, sensational. Or is it? Professor Charles, famous French scientist, would attempt an ascension using a newly discovered gas called inflammable air. The world's first hydrogen balloon, 1783. And now the stupendous feat of combining the two types of balloon will be attempted. We invite your attention to Pilote de Rossier of France. Strange name. And his 40-foot hydrogen balloon with a 10-foot hot air balloon beneath it. Too bad, I could have warned him. He rises quickly, however, to about 3,000 feet and... the world's first martyr to aircraft experiment.
de Rossier, unfortunately, didn't know enough about hydrogen. Professor Charles could have shown him this. First, that pure hydrogen burns with an almost invisible flame. And second, when mixed with oxygen or air, hydrogen is highly explosive. In the early days, hydrogen was prepared by pouring sulfuric acid over scraps of iron. Here is a simplified modern method of doing the same thing. Caustic soda and water are used instead of sulfuric acid, and ferrosilicon, a kind of ore, is used instead of scrap iron. The bubbles, you see, are hydrogen. The Navy today uses methanol, another name for wood alcohol, and water instead of sulfuric acid, and copper zinc oxide instead of scrap iron. Now then, just exactly why does hydrogen lift a balloon? The answer is that it doesn't. Hydrogen is used merely to hold the sides of the balloon apart, using as little weight as possible.